Hello, I'm Krisha. Even I am a student, and I have my fellow mates with me in the show. So this is Mudra. Hi. This is Arya.
Hi.
This is Ananya.
Hi guys.
Even they are the IEEE committee members. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to ask you a few questions. If organizing a tech fest came with a superpower, what would it be?
Okay, so my superpower would be teleportation because on day one we had to run from phase one, phase three, whole through our campus because I was shooting in phase one and then I was getting continuous calls. कि मुद्रा I need you in phase three, don't मैं shoot करना है celeb आया celeb bite बार and with these heels I can't run from here and there बार. It was like very difficult. So if teleportation was an option, definitely my first pick.
Definitely. Our legs were literally bleeding.
बहुत like problem हुई होगी.
Yes.
Same with me, bro. Like full day in heels. I mean 5 inches, of course. We literally had blisters on our feet. Like it was painful, but it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this would be your favorite question, I guess. I just wanted to know your main character vibe check in the fest.
Oh, the moment when the event actually worked because of me.
Oh my
Obviously,
god.
like-
Like people were calling, Arya come here, and it was working out.
Even I feel main character vibes में outfit भी matter करता है.
Of course.
Fit check.
Obviously, and volunteers जब बोलते हैं ये दीदी ने तो बहुत अच्छा पहना है.
You're looking super cute, Didi.
Yes.
That is like the best. और फिर सब जब भी volunteers are like head इधर काम आ रहा है, head उधर काम आ रहा है. That is like top notch feeling, you know.
पर वो तो मेन फीलिंग होगी ना जब ऐसे बोलते हैं कि हेड आ रहा है.
Yes, really good feeling.
Okay, so a quick vibe check. Organizing a tech fest at this age, exciting, chaotic, or both?
It was messy behind the scenes, but iconic on stage, of course. And everyone worked really hard for this, so we are all happy with how we performed.
Yes, same. Both of them, excited and chaotic, both.
It was like a mix of everything because everything was happening at the same time. तो जितना वो exciting और hectic था ना उतना ही वो fun और बहुत ज़्यादा experience gain मिला हम लोग को. Doing this, everything, controlling in the leadership position. It was like very fun and hectic at the same time.
ऐसी क्या चीज हुई तुम्हारे साथ IEEE में कि लाइक मुझे नहीं पता है बट तुम लोग के अंदर अंदर पता है तुम लोग को.
Oh,
my
the
God.
tea, you mean? So, you know what happened yesterday? Like, there was this fight going on between Pineapple and Strawberry. You might
Yes,
have
I
seen it.
remember.
I was
Wait,
sitting
It was long
Guys,
at the
yes.
same
at the
time.
same
was
time in
standing
front of
there.
everyone, and then she threw those flowers. and all.
Guys, who is
That was
pineapple?
bought by me, I know.
Oh,
Yeah, it was her hamper.
oh shit! Oh shit!
Guys, I'm clueless. Please tell me who is pineapple.
We'll tell that to you backstage.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Don't forget her.
Of course,
Ananya.
of course, of
Of
course.
Okay. So, what's harder, debugging the tech or managing people?
OMG, people way harder.
People.
The volunteers.
The crowd was so
chaotic,
much.
So chaotic.
Obviously, volunteers तो बोल रहे होगे. हम तो सिर्फ volunteers हैं. हम क्यों इतना काम करें?
Why would we stay so long in the college and all timings? Like,
Parents
So
issues
hectic.
and all.
yes.
Yeah, but there were a few volunteers who really worked well.
Yes.
Really good.
Nice. Okay, last question. If organizing this tech fest was an app, what would its biggest feature be? Speed, teamwork, or crisis management?
You know, things were happening so fast at the same time. इधर झगड़ा हो रहा है, उधर chaos हो रहा है, इधर. So if crisis management was an option, कि like एक button press करके crisis is solved, gone like this. So that would be like a top pick. I think everyone over here would
Yes.
Yeah, of course,
yes.
of course.
Even I wanted to know, ऐसा कभी लगा था कि भाई आधे फेस्ट से मैं छोड़ के चली जाती हूँ, हो गया है
Oh.
बस.
Lot of times.
every single moment.
Every
I
single
was
morning.
standing over there. I was like कि बस हो गया आज के लिए. I'm done. I'm going home.
पहले like एक breakdown होता है, and then breakdown होने के बाद then we again come back in form, and then we're like okay, we have to do it. We have to
Because
kill
the
it.
efforts we have taken are so much, like so much. That's why.
But at the end जब भी सब कुछ हो जाता है, फिर ऐसा लगता है कि भाई
It was
अच्छा
worth.
हुआ है.
हाँ.
It was worth.
Every day में मेरे को को यही फील होता है लाइक यू नो डे 1 खत्म हुआ आई वाज लाइक शिट इतना जल्दी क्यों खत्म हो गया डे 1 बिकॉज देन डे 2 डे 3 एंड देन फेस्ट इज ओवर एंड यू आर लाइक
Sad, really sad. The day. The
Okay,
feast.
so one more question जो अभी मेरे दिमाग में आया है.
Okay.
I just want to know that ऐसी कौन सी एक biggest memory है जो ये फेस्ट ने क्रिएट करवाई थी and like कभी नहीं भूल सकते.
For me, it was working with the team. It was very fun. मतलब we met new people, our volunteers, and then like बहुत टाइम वर्क करने के बाद it's like थोड़ा अटैचमेंट हो जाता है सबसे.
bond
Yes.
create हो
Yeah.
जाता है
Definitely.
And फिर ऐसा लगता है कि भाई बस अभी मैं छोड़ के नहीं जा
हाँ.
सकती.
For me, I think it was like getting free stuff because publicity
Yeah.
team, you know, it's like getting free stuff, reaching out to brands and getting free stuff was like a peak moment.
Contacts भी बढ़ते होंगे brands के साथ.
एकदम.
Even 50% discount coupon codes are
हाँ.
on.
Definitely.
Definitely.
So labs के numbers please pass करना मुझे,
बहुत मिले.
please.
Of course, of course.
Made a lot of friends. It was so fun.
So once again say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And that's the wrap up of the conversation. A big thank you to our guests who shared their fun and lovely stories of IEEE Techathon. Your host, Krisha Chavda, is signing off.